Hey there friends, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I have a helper with me. This is my daughter, and we decided we've been doing a lot of work in the kitchen lately. We have a lot coming in from the garden, and most of the time when we're in the kitchen it's preserving and doing freezer meals and all kinds of stuff that's more like work. So we decided today we're going to do something fun for absolutely no reason other than to just have some fun in the kitchen. So my daughter and I found 2 recipes on Pinterest, and we are going to give a brutally honest Pinterest recipe review. So both of these recipes are things we have never tried before, but do you think they're going to be good?
Yeah.
I've got my fuss budget with me today, so she will tell us honestly whether or not she likes it. We're going to give these recipes a try, and we're going to let you know how they are. We'll link them down below so that you can try them as well. So the first thing we're going to do, this one was actually one that I picked, and I'm kind of excited about it. It's maple pecan caramel corn, and it's sweetened only with maple syrup. But do you like nuts? You don't like nuts? Not even pecans?
I like pecans.
You do like pecans? I don't think we have pecans. We have walnuts. So we don't have pecans, and she says she likes them, but we're going to check. If we don't have pecans, we're going to put walnuts in, and then you'll have to pick them out. What do you think? Yeah? So we're going to get started, and we're going to see how this goes. And that's it. We're actually using these old blue popcorn kernels today. I just happened to pick these up the other day at the Amish store. I thought they were neat, and it said that they are less tough, I think, than regular popcorn, so we're going to try it out. All right, you can unwrap the butter and put it right in here, okay? Now we're going to take this pot, we're going to put it on the stove, and it needs to come up to temperature. And when that happens, we get to add in the, what, do you know? What other ingredient do we have? Nope, baking soda. It's going to be like a science experiment. Is that pretty cool? Okay. Alright, this is the recipe we're going to make next. They're honey sweetened chocolate chip cookies, and they look pretty legit, so I'm kind of excited about them. What do you think? Yes? No? Yum. Okay, so this recipe is from the Cook Street. Oh no, not the Cook Street. The Cook's Treat. Sorry, my bad. This one is from thecookstreet.com, and I will link it down below, of course. Let's see what we need to do to get started. All right, so this one you need the oven at 375, but our caramel corn is in the oven and that's at 200, so we're gonna wait to bump that up to 375 when that's done, but we'll get the cookie dough mixed up first. All right, we need 1 cup of butter. So I need 2 sticks.
1. How much is each of these?
A half a cup.
Oh, so if you put 2 halves together, it makes a whole one.
All right, so the first thing it wants us to do is whip the honey and the butter together in our mixer, so we're gonna get that started. How many sticks of butter to make 1 cup?
2.
2 sticks of butter, yep. Okay, try. Yum. All the way down, yep. And then lock it. And turn it on. Good job. Crank it up just a little bit more. Good job. High hopes for this.
Yeah, really high. Now it's really blue. I think I didn't know long enough. Uh-oh. Too much on this side, not enough on that side.
What you have to do. You have to keep mixing it and putting it back in so that all the caramel gets melty and gooey all over each piece.
And yummy.
Okay.
Can I just pick them up with my hands?
Yep. Pick them up with your hands.
I don't know how you could go wrong with this one. I think this one's gonna be good.
Yummy.
What does it taste like?
Sweet sugar popcorn.
Sweet sugar
Yeah.
popcorn. What do you think?
Tastes like candy.
Tastes like candy. What do you think, Daddy?
Candy corn.
I think it's good.
It's a good substitute for like a healthier version of caramel corn.
I hear a lot of chomping. All right, let's try it.
I like the nut.
It's very buttery. It's not as sweet as regular caramel corn, but it's good. This is one thing that I haven't found a good substitute for or even attempted to make since we cut sugar out, refined sugars. So I'd say this is a treat. So I'll ask questions and you can be the thumbs up or thumbs down, okay? Should we make this again? 2 thumbs up. Should we make it for Christmas? Honest review.
Yum.
2 thumbs up already? Alrighty, what do you
Really
think?
cakey.
You don't like cakey cookies?
I mean,
do you?
it's got a good flavor to it, but I don't really like the cakey texture cookies.
Yeah.
I basically like warmed up cookie dough.
Mommy,
It's good. It's not bad.
it's
But
good.
it's more like a chocolate chip cake than a cookie. I don't know if that's my fault. If I did something wrong, we followed the directions to a T.
It has a good flavor. It's just really cakey and light, which I like more doughy cookies.
And I have another one.
That's what it looks like. It's actually, it tastes really good.
Okay.
It's got a nice flavor. It's like a light, I mean, what you would expect honey to taste like if you sweeten something with honey.
Yeah, the flavor's good. I think the flavor is pretty on point.
Can I have a
I would make them again. I like them. If you like a nice cakey cookie, you'll definitely like this one. I think the caramel corn was more of a hit for me. But this one's not bad. I would go for this one again.
I think
Oh,
there's
I like it.
There's two camps of cookie people: the warmed up cookie dough and the people who like them cakey and fluffy.
And the people who like them thin and crispy. Definitely not, this is not thin and crispy. It's not like cookie dough. It's definitely a cakey cookie. I think both of these recipes were a success. My personal favorite was the maple caramel corn,
another one?
but both good. I hope you enjoyed this
Okay,
video.
I'll have another one.
If you have any recipes, healthy dessert recipes you found on Pinterest that you've been afraid to try, and you want us to try them, link it down below, and maybe we'll be able to give them a shot. I think we're going to keep doing this every so often because it was kind of fun. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.